just a little demonstration about the angles of incidence terminology. When the transducer sends a wave into the body, the wave is traveling through, propagating through tissue, and it strikes a surface or a tissue interface. That wave that's coming through the medium is called the incident wave. So here's a little, in blue is the depiction of the incident wave. So the next terminology is normal line. So sometimes it's called line normal. But what that means is a line, an imaginary line, that's 90 degrees to the tissue interface, or at a right angle, or perpendicular. They're all the same thing. So the line normal is 90 degrees or perpendicular to this tissue interface. The tissue interface is this heavy green line right here, okay? So if you have normal incidence, you have a wave that's coming from the transducer, and it's going to strike the interface at a 90-degree angle. So we need to kind of clarify two different terminology. We have a wave front, which is this right here. This is the wave front, okay? And then we have a wave direction. So the wave is coming from the transducer coming into the tissue, okay? The wave direction in this depiction is like this. That would be considered the wave direction. The wave direction and the wave front are perpendicular to each other. So the wave direction is the direction that the wave is traveling. It's not the shape of the front of the wave, it's the direction of that the wave is traveling. So the direction that the wave is traveling in this depiction is going to be considered normal incidence. So normal incidence is when the incident angle is 0 degrees and the wave direction is parallel to the normal line. So the wave direction here is parallel to this line normal, okay? You could have a wave coming at this tissue at an oblique angle. And let's just make it a little more realistic here. The wave is going to be traveling this direction from the transducer, at least at first, but your interface might not be exactly at a perpendicular to the wave front, to the wave direction. It could be sitting like this. Okay, so this could be your tissue interface sitting at an angle. Okay, so the line normal for this tissue interface is now this. Okay, so that's 90 degrees to the tissue. So now we've got an angle that's coming in to the tissue at an oblique angle. It's not parallel to this line normal. There's an angle, okay? So this angle here is going to be considered the incident angle, right here, okay? It's the incident angle measured between the incident wave and the normal line, and it refers to the wave direction before it encounters the reflector. Anything other than a normal incident is considered oblique incidence. And it occurs when the incident sound beam strikes the boundary at